today we are going to start with chapter number 7, नेचुरल कैलामिटीज। देखो आपका इन्वायरमेंट है, आपका इन्वायरमेंट में क्या होता है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कुछ इन्वायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स भी होती हैं जिसकी वजह से फ्लड हो जाता है, एवलांचेस हो जाते हैं, लैंडस्लाइड हो जाती है, ड्रॉट हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ चीजें बताऊंगी, ठीक है। राइट द नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। इट इज अ डिजास्टर इन्वॉल्विंग elements of the ground including rocks, parts of houses and anything else which may happen to be swept up. It can be caused by earthquake, volcanic eruption or general instability in surrounding land. ठीक है, तो ये आपका क्या होता है, these are known as, इनको क्या कहा जाता है, लैंडस्लाइड कहा जाता है। देखा होगा आपने, पहाड़ टूट टूट के गिर जाते हैं, इसे क्या कहा जाता है, लैंडस्लाइड कहा जाता है। It is a geophysical hazard involving a slide of large snow of rock massed down by mountainside caused when a building of material is released down as stope, and it is one of the major danger faced in the mountains in winter. ज़्यादातर ये mountains में होता है और winter के टाइम पे होता है। इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, avalanches। It is an extended period of months or years when region suffers a severe deficiency in water supply. Generally, this occurs when a region receives consistently below average rainfall. It has sustained impact on the ecosystem and agriculture of an affected region. इसे क्या कहा जाता है, इसे drought कहा जाता है। This is known as drought. Now, these are uncontrolled fires burning in wetland area. Common causes include lightning, human carelessness, volcano eruption. इसे क्या कहा जाता है, this is known as forest fire. This is known as forest fire. Now, it is an overflow of an expanse of water that submerges land deluge. It is usually due to, ये किसकी वजह से होता है, within a body of water such as river, lake, exceeding the total capacity of body and result some of the water flow or sits outside of the normal perimeter of water. It can also occur in river when strength of the river is so high in flow right of the river channel, usually at corners of meander. ये क्या होता है, आपका flood होता है। This is known as flood. Now next is, इट इज सीरीज ऑफ वेव्स। देखो वेव्स जब क्रिएट होती है इसे क्या कहा जाता है, सुनामी कहा जाता है, ठीक है। एन ओशन इज रैपिडली डिस्प्लेस, अर्थक्वेक, मास मूवमेंट above or below water, volcanic eruptions and other underwater explosion, landslides, large meteors impact, some comet impacts and testing with nuclear weapon at sea all have a potential to generate it. तो ये क्या होता है, आपका सुनामी होता है। This is known as tsunami. So tsunami कहते हैं। Next is, it is the point at in which a volcano is active and releases lava and poisonous gases into the air. Sub-eruption form pyroclastic flows, which are high temperature cloud of ash and steam that can travel down mountains at speed exceeding that of airline. इसे क्या कहते हैं, volcanic eruption. इसे क्या कहा जाता है, volcanic eruption. They are violent rotating columns of air at speed between 50 to 300 amperes and possibly higher. इसे क्या कहा जाता है, ये क्या होता है, hurricane. It is a result of sudden release of energy in the earth crust that creates seismic waves. They are recorded with seismometer and also known as seismograph. इसे क्या कहा जाता है, earthquake कहा जाता है। This is known as earthquake. ठीक है। Now chapter is finished. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.